Welcome to this demonstration of the bulk export feature in AD Photo Editor Pro. This tool allows you to extract photos from multiple Active Directory accounts at once. The export interface is organized into simple steps, selecting where to download from, choosing where to save photos, and configuring additional options. First, choose your source. Entire organization exports photos from all accounts in your domain. For a targeted approach, select specific locations and browse for containers or organizational units. When selecting specific locations, navigate through your AD structure and check the boxes next to containers you want to include. You can select multiple organizational units for a more precise export. Next, specify where exported photos should be saved. Click Browse to select a destination folder on your computer. Make sure you have right permissions for this location. Configure additional options as needed. Include usernames and file names for easy identification. Create subfolders matching your AD structure. You can even remove photos from AD after export, though use this option with caution. When your settings are complete, click Download Photos. The process runs in the background with a progress indicator. For large organizations, this may take some time to complete. Once complete, a message shows how many photos were exported. Opening the destination folder reveals all the exported images, named according to your settings and preserving the original image format. The export feature is invaluable for creating backups, migrating to other systems, or building a photo directory for your organization.